We have finally made it.
And it was worth the wait.
Allie, you really are the luckiest bride in the world to have someone as handsome, funny, intelligent. Sorry, Lev, I can't read your handwriting here.
I love you with everything that I am, Lev Henry. I'm so lucky to share this crazy, beautiful life with you. And I can't wait to be your wife. Top that.
She's super out of my league. I hope today is a day filled with pageantry that took months and months to plan. I love you and you deserve it. You are simply the best. Not too bad.
I feel free.